All right, we're going to look at properties today. Um, Properties that we looked at a lot this year: the distributive property, associative property, commutative property, and identity property. I'm just going to do a really quick little review of it. I'm going to do two questions that kind of show you how a lot of us showed you how to do it, and that's by plugging in a 2. So the first one says, which of the following is equivalent to 4 times 3x minus 5? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite that, but I'm going to plug a 2 in. And actually, I'm going to put little brackets here instead of parentheses so it looks a little easier. So then I'm just going to follow order of operations and solve this. So I know 3 times 2 is 6, and then I bring all this stuff down. I know 6 minus 5 is 1, and I know 4 times 1 is 4. So this up here is 4. Now I'm going to need to go solve these and see which one also gives me 4. So I know 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 4 times 5, that's 20. That's not going to give me 4. That's going to give me a much higher number. On the second one, if I do 4 times 2, it's going to give me 8, and I know 8 minus 43, that's definitely not going to give me 4. C is the one that a lot of people like to pick, and you need to be careful. 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 minus 5 is not 4. And then the last one obviously is going to have to work. I'm going to go ahead and multiply this times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so 4 times 6 minus 4 times 5. 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 times 5 is 20. So 24 minus 20 is 4. This is the distributive property because we're taking this 4 and we're distributing it inside. So we're doing 4 times 3x minus 4 times 5, which was our answer that we chose. All right, the second one, we're going to figure out whether these two are equivalent or not. So we're going to do the same strategy that we were just doing. We're just going to plug in a 2 for our variable. So here I'm going to do parentheses first. 2 times 7 is 14. And 2 times 14 is 28. And then here I'm going to do this parentheses first. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 7 is also 28. So those are equivalent. And that is the associative property. Hopefully I spelled that right. Because those numbers are not moving. They're in the same order, but my groups are changing. And remember, if you were in my class, I always said associative stays same order. Our numbers stay in the same order. All right, well, if you have questions on that, pop in and let us know. We'd be happy to help you.